Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix the problem of YouTube comments not showing on your Android or iOS mobile phone. For this, you have to open your YouTube app and now you have to click on your channel icon at the top right corner. There you can see the option of settings. You have to click on it and click on the general. There you can see the option of restricted mode. You have to make sure to toggle it off. If it is turned on, then you have to just turn it off. Once you turn it off, you have to come back and open your mobile settings. Now there you have to go to the app management and go to the app settings. There you can see all the list of the apps. You have to scroll down towards the bottom and click on the YouTube and click on the storage and cache. There you can see the option of clear cache. You have to just click on it. You can see that all the cache is cleared. Now in this way you can fix the problem of YouTube comments not showing on Android or iPhone. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.